Expansion.
Hello YouTube, this is Sensei Texpansion here. Today I'm going to be doing a factory reset on the Samsung S2 T-Mobile variant. If your phone in your hands doesn't look like the one on screen, then you're on the wrong video. If it does, you're in luck. You may factory reset your phone for a number of reasons. Grandma locked herself out and can't remember what the password was? Some shady dude sold you a locked out dud? Well, for this phone, I have the solution. This older phone doesn't come equipped with a factory reset protection measure, meaning it is a lot easier to get into and steal someone's data or do other malicious things. But as I do penetration tests on newer and newer models, hopefully these companies will look to this for a model of how to improve the security of their device. Before we get started, if this video ends up helping you or a forgetful family member, leave a like or a comment or even a share to help your friends out too. Now, for this phone tutorial, I did not use Wi-Fi or have a SIM card in my phone. In order to get started, you'll want to hold both the volume up and down buttons while also holding the power button. Once you see the Samsung screen flash, let go of both the volume buttons and hold them again for about 1 to 2 seconds. You should feel the phone vibrate. At this point, you could take your finger off the power button, but leave your fingers on the volume buttons until the next screen prompt shows up. Now you should get a screen that you haven't seen before. If your phone is jailbroken, otherwise known as rooted in Android terms, it will look similar to mine. If not, the only difference is the gray background and some special features on this menu. Same premise though. Before we move on, you should know that you can only move up and down using the volume buttons. You can select items with the power button, but touchscreen will not work here. Where you want to go from this point is down to the factory reset phone option. You'll want to fight through the wave of rejection telling you no, and click the only yes in sight. The phone will take a very long time loading. Once it is finished, you'll be thrown right back into the phone's factory state. At this point, you'll want to restart your device. Alright, now that the phone is booted back up, it should only take a couple more minutes before you're back to the factory screen from when you got the phone. And here it is. This is the factory state screen that you will get when you open your phone straight out of the box. You can set this up later, but at the current time, you're going to want to just skip the Wi-Fi and SIM card activation. From here, you'll basically want to speed run the bloatware and adware rejection, and voila! A brand new phone, ready to be used. All features should be working as intended. You can also put yourself back on Wi-Fi, add a SIM card, do whatever you want at this point. Remember guys, if this helped you in any way, shape, or form, leave a like, comment, or share so that you can help a family member out too. Thank you. And And Samsung, if you're watching this, hopefully this gives you a means to improve the security of your device.
Techspansion.